As a nation, I have to tell you what I'm going. My fiance pregnant right now. But the bad mind people them a carry the belly.
Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing's set. We're blessed. Hope you're having a wonderful day today. But as you can see, we have to start off with the breaking news. Dancer King Vybz Kartel wife Sidlem is pregnant. Put in the comment section what you think about that. Now, I don't know if the world boss is trolling the bad mind people out there, because before he made this IG story post, I seen that comment in a comment section when the people that might disupset them wickedly because the way she was eating a watermelon. So let's take a look at that video, and then we'll go to the comment sections and questions. As you can see right there, the people them say Sidlem must be pregnant.
It's nice.
Oh, good. Melon. Good for your melanin. No?
Really?
No, I'm just rhyming, baby.
Yes, put in the comment section if you eat watermelons like that. I'm not gonna lie, I do consume watermelons like that, but the smaller ones, it's in my say. And when I'm in Jamaica, I do eat fruits with spoons, certain fruits, it's in me, so it's not out the norm, you know what I mean? And then people from the Mediterranean, Asian countries with Turkey, whatever, I saw them yum it, you know what I mean? But as you can see in the comment section, you know, this girl can't do no right. And they're complaining about how she's eating watermelon with a spoon. This man says, so that's the same comment section where we see the pregnant comment and things. So I don't know if Vybz Kartel, because we know they all on social media watching the comments and thing. I don't know if he's trolling them, but that's like giving an update while going for her to go and put in the comment section if she look like she a breed. And it wouldn't be out, you know what I mean? Because, you know, buddy, I go and I get a pony regular. Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Imagine if they was together outside of jailhouse 10 years ago. Then probably would have 20 pitney boy now, you know? Yeah, but before we proceed to the next topic, make sure the notification bell is on and all of these things. So we're dropping videos now. Sure if the subscribers, I get them, you know, so when they can just check out the videos that we dropped, you know, in the past couple of days if you haven't seen the notification, you see me?
Leading up to the Olympics and even during the Olympics, Janelle Bromfield, who represents Jamaica and who happens to be in a relationship with American athlete Noah Lyles, faced so much vitriol from you all. Now, this stemmed from some revelations he made about pillow talk in a podcast. Janelle responded, and of course she responded, because Una did dep on social media a bully the girl, and she's human. And if she never strong, the vitriol we want to spew could have caused this girl to have a mental breakdown. They have a wonderful relationship. They have a loving relationship. And yes, during the Olympics, she went and supported her man, even though she's on Team Jamaica. Is her man? Him love her. Yes, she gonna support him. She and him family have a very good relationship. No, we could have just stay on course and give one opinions. Instead, we go low, we go nasty, and we take it too far. And when she mentioned it, we call her a liar. We'll see the proof, yeah.
Okay, people, let's talk about this, because I think I'm the perfect one to talk about this, because, you know, several weeks ago, before this drama with, you know, Bromfield, complexion was an issue. You know, I'm the one that said people should stop bring that up, you know what I mean? But honestly, I think, you know, she and her American boyfriend is using this as a distraction, you know, for her leaking her teammates' secrets. Some people putting in the comment section what you think about that, because as you can see, she used by Spice Black hypocrisy, things. And she's just highlighting all of the negative comments, you see me, which is very minute to all of the positive comments out there. So we're really going, you see me, as you know, she doesn't have any ratings right now in Jamaica for the way her, you know, her boyfriend is basically spilling the beans, you know what I mean? And you can't wrong the people them for feeling that way, you know what I mean? So I think this is just a play for her to leave Jamaica and run for America in the near future. You see, I said the reason, you know, her country don't love her no more, which no is far from the truth. You know what I mean? But throw with bagger and them probably like some savage and all them things there. You know, them always use, that aspect as the scapegoat. You know what I mean? Well, if this is the reason, don't need your negative energy. See, man, some people putting in the comment section where you think about that. And all who've been following me know, say, me always support my black queen, them. You know what I mean? But I gotta call it what it is, you feel me? Yeah, let's proceed to the next. And people don't forget to swing pan a Bombay by news channel because RT Boss and Queenie link back up, you feel me? And Amari discussed it or she offer, Vybz Kartel, Batty Watch and all of these things and I'm all overdo it, you see my answer. So here's a little bit of, what's over there if you not subscribe over there, say it.
I can't see his counters. For real. Trust me. Oh, you know what, sir? May I make the best of it, because nothing will last forever. A lot of people fool themselves, and I get up and come in my life, I want to fool it. None of them can fool me. But they with a man for 22 years. I give him 5 kids, and it never lasts. So I think, my idiot, I have experience, woman. I got through so much in life that my brace to the worst. Listen, this is a special moment. And nobody can rub it out. Not even me can erase it out of my head. So what I do? I cherish it.
Like that song there.
Island, how are them bring? Their piece of
Me
that now, yeah.
can't tell the people them good morning.
Oh, give me one.
You can't tell the people them good morning.
Do whatever,
Yes,
sir.
yes, good. Uno all fuck out, suck and buy out and dice out, fuck out, dash out, fucky Jamaican. Go suck out to the woman uno walk and fuck no blood clot. That's why me not married no Jamaican. Uno fuck out. Uno have no pussy license. Uno pussy bang out. Uno can't keep 2 man. Go suck out, uno fuck out Jamaican. Alright. Can be a fuck out girl if your life we're going like them as smarty.
Archie, that are not good in cause. Fuck out, all fuck out.
Yeah, that's why them feel leave a man, we have him wife and all of the women them come with me a reason I could go up and clothes. What day I may say in my mind say, oh me not see Queenie and them something there, but Queenie when me did over bling, say sometime when me not hear Friday, me start up I marry fuckery and dry out like the last time. Me always love the fuckery. But true, me not over bling right now. The whole allegation and them something there right now is the best thing we ever happened to.
Jail for the man that say I rape him.
Because I be I be a fuck out wearing Jamaican, but I'm glad though because I get money. That me shall double bust the blood clad me and Gracie. All of them pussy will they feel like say, oh, if this did real mood that Jamaica mood not fly me I go, but then I understand say after them come them fucker me tell them say me dead and me that
Archie, the internet is not a real place, yeah.
I one bag of kill is Jamaican, but I hope where I want to know where am I gonna do with me behind the big old girl for my
See what
money.
you might cost you.
After me busy body.
Archie,
Them
with all the big
listen.
excitement and propaganda, you really there Jamaica?
Then after I'm afraid of them, I gunman and Andrew will
I
let
think
me
you
say the
government
fuck.
to that freezer to backside for all who said this, that, terror, not,
Man, a bad
they go the
man.
cat and the blood clad figure. You see them dirty people, yeah?
My
You know
crime trees.
everybody business and for them one out there, not them no know. I don't understand people. That's why I'm
Ain't
not
go suck out. Them, listen to me, please. Not, none of them don't know nothing about me. I be a lie and taking on me. They see Jamaican girl, them through them talk. Them believe everything when people say, Queenie, you know
You're
me stay
cutting
me rich in
out,
a foreign and rich
Artie.
in Jamaica. You know my thing. Them are idiot. Kill this Jamaica. But anyway, Queenie, what going with you?
Nothing.
And Queenie, Mama tell you this. You know what about talk about me? You know what I notice with Uno Jamaican, that's why I'm good on a thing for talk. You ever say flap? Which part me flap? The question I'm gonna ask the Queen, we're gonna reason now. Oh
I
me
mean,
for
say a
flap.
flap.
No, we're gonna address the media because they must say we flap.
Oh,
Oh me for flap when you always hear they say me no boss it, me can't boss me irrelevant. So you know it, Queenie. You so you
yeah.
hear them say me can't boss me irrelevant, me can't find no it. So how the fuck you gonna take down somebody when I boss it? Oh,
Yeah.
you gonna bring down. So
Archie, we love
that means me a star.
you. You are right.
You see them people like Kaylis. Them big and careless Queenie.
Boy,
But Queenie, you have to do.
RT, may I forgot this some big careless blood clotness. But RT, me can't take on a class for
No,
RT.
me,
You
no,
too
no,
rude.
man. No, man. May I collect the money from Spice and done with Jamaica. And for the rest of 24 years, me have every fuck out girl with fuck and sell pussy in Jamaica, me I come from. Me done with the mix up
Why
now.
you
Me and the
lying for
girl them.
RT? You never done because you
Me
like the
love bring
drama.
down girl. Me love me and the Jamaican girl. They say me a fish, me a bat man. Bring down them done all them fuck out no blood clot. And Spice I forgot.
RT,
I me want to get something. I go say this. This is not no cloud. The queen of gonna get ready for burying the queen of dancehall. Cause me see a big blood clot funeral. Me see she got dead spiritually.
I rebuke that in the mighty name of
Me
Jesus.
never say I'm never do it. Me I tell you what me
RT,
see.
you cannot wish that I know, and that's
I
rude.
never tell you
Listen,
I wish no bad. Come make we cuss it and go in. I never tell you say I wish bad for nobody. I tell you what me see. Nobody can blood clot. Tell me say no. Tell me say me see say the girl I dead. Me not for talk it. Then no so not gonna know if me I read a man if the blood clot girl dead. No no so not gonna say pussy hole can I read him talk it. So
you
how me fi see
know,
the word dead and not
the
talk
girl not
it.
ready for dead. Fuck that.
But
So listen, I
me I
know
tell
that
you
may
what
I
me
talk.
see. Me I tell you what me see. I know what uno see.
All right. Talk with you, RT. We'll leave you alone.
But Queenie, me I say something. Me and you come a far away and you notice how me stay.
You're
We go down the
not
media.
paying
You know
me
we
in the
there
mind,
today.
RT. Me don't want to
No,
hear. Me there hear look
Queenie,
at
you're
text
wicked
that
to me.
for you.
Queenie, last time I have the big hype over the media, I mix up Amari and tell lie and call your name over there for you. Amari go down the blood clot Emmanuel Road when Bling did call you. We set up that, you know. We say, oh, we know your friend, you we call you and let you have Amari in at the back. We all me always look out for you. You don't notice the Jamaican people, them make it look like men in the body and me create the most blood clot mix up. When me no hear your name, I call you. All the mix up are there when do we gone. Who started? And me, but you hear what the people them do? Them just not give me my rating, so I don't have time for them. I just have bring down every fuck out girl for 2025. That me I do. Bring down girl
RT, I
pussy.
can't tell you still in a...
I'm bad no blood clot. Up upon the media, me a pussy. Down a Jamaica, me a Dan Dada. You think no boy can tell me say no come out? Queenie, me go where me go uptown Mondays, me go every blood clot when me walk in a Spanish town brawling. No, the pussy not dead there. If you tell me no come to Jamaica yet. And if him say that blood clot, I'ma spot him. Alright. See people right as I can tell you me they are uptown Mondays, me they everywhere. Which boy can owe me that? Boy go
Nobody
suck
can
them
say
mother.
stop your friend. Nobody not doing nothing,
Then I
RT.
know
Them just
one,
touch
they
shit.
can't.
They not doing
They
shit. Don't mind them.
can't. Queen, you
No,
know
you
when me
don't
got
have corrupted people and them talk shit and something, but realistically, nobody can see you personally at
you free.
Jamaica and say them are doing
You
something
know tell them
because
say
unless
four
you do
police
them
me get for
something
yourself.
personal.
You know tell them say four police you get for yourself alone and you can
And you know,
manage
tell them,
me.
some tell us, I don't want so much police and you cut it down to two.
Alright. Okay, so so who's them careless broke people have in a war with me? Them you know fly on a plane and get rid of them. Them go and bury the woman. You know what them? You me tell them what me don't like with them. Them know say me so obia for the woman. They know say me tie up Shen say. Them know me do all of the obia. Every day them say the obia
You do
work. A Spice do a
how we
song.
share.
Then look how much obia me do for Spice. Anybody know say me a Spice obia man. Then listen now.
No,
Let
me
me show
say,
you
what
something.
you say about
Listen now.
Shensia?
Look how Spice and Prampute do a song. Me tell you now every day. Me say to you say the reason why Spice cannot do a color lab with no female because they now go boss it now go work because the other said for she alone. Look how she and Sensei and Pampete do a song. I wanna hear the song and no blood clot look pan the song. I wanna idiot bumbo clad people. We Pampete and everybody forgot. The only thing in the album makes sense, the album art. Two man do have a hit song, I be a fuckery song they on it. And the best song them Queenie, when she sing, and the song them will have something about for me. Lad, me too need them not too good. Come make grandma talk. Whoop. Mix me with your bad energy. Whoop. Mix me with all of
You're
them songs
so
that shoot off of me.
love Spice.
Me no love that
You
or I
love,
want she die.
you love her, go man.
Me no love her.
You
Me
love
can't love a girl when
her.
man in that fuck you see man. You
You
right.
love RT, stop it. RT, behave yourself. RT.
Queenie, we come up here for talk. You see you watch show, so if you can't manage the international, I could go local. All right, I could go
Me
local.
now,
We do what we
listen,
talk about.
me not stop your fan say what you want, sir, but me still have my opinion on it, sir. Be reasonable.
Yeah, but this is what me want you know. You have so much people that talk where for me like them know nothing about me. And then don't know a blood clot. Cause me everybody so I'm not this blood clot.
Baddest.
But it's a
RT,
fall.
you
Show a
have
labor
start,
right over there,
RT,
man.
you have start make your work so over for me now.
Queenie, them people don't eat that,
Do
you
you
know.
want to
They are no
work
sense.
hobby for me, RT?
Honestly, mate, I only want to work Uber for you, yeah, because it's no, I don't really work Uber like that, yeah. I do spiritual work,
Do
like
you want to
helping
do
people.
start doing spiritual something for me then?
Yeah, if you ox me, to, but that wouldn't be like trying to fuck up someone, yeah? That would be like trying to help you.
No. After me no want fuck on nobody. Listen.
Like how I'm getting cheese deported, right? Like I think some science and cheese, yeah, and make she deported, yeah, and put some Obia and Dawn so our daughter Samantha can ride her, yeah. And listen, I swear upon my kids, yeah, I ain't telling you no lie, Queenie, yeah. I'm gonna fuck them up, yeah. Like one of them supposed to die before the year next year, yeah. I'm fucking these fucker up, man. I ain't joking,
So
man.
that means, so RT you never over me in a process or not when me and you did at it. Can't remember you call me cougar,
No,
you know. My
I need
vex.
to. No, I don't obey you. I don't.
RT,
Don't obey
you send me here, you said the cougar something,
you.
but my vex. Me say, oh. Me say, no, me not talk back to the man there. Well, RT, your drama still in me for Rachel. But RT, has so much people you over.
No, no, only it used to be only spice. Then I add more cheese and then more cheese and then and somebody else. Then in the Jamaica, I spend my over $2 million in Obia. Material amount of cow and goat me kill on this blood class as sacrifice.
Lord. RT, let me tell you what more I work for my fan now. More I give me some spiritual atmosphere. When me just step on the stage and just sing and just be here every minute, me work till me tired. And then me I go up on the stage to backside, me in the car sleep and know say yes. When me reach me say at that me want RT. And then me can say yes.
Let me tell you something, Queenie.
Yeah.
I mean, explain something to you. I only work for a celebrity. We have money. Spice and me fall out. That's why I want to know it. Me have a lot of politicians and
That's
prime
an
minister and
insult,
party.
you know,
So I
RT.
am saying to you, Queenie, you're not gonna can pay me because you feel like say the people are bash me every day and attack negative in the media. Oh, me I
So wait
make my
there.
money. Queenie,
With
them there,
the type of
there,
part.
Queenie.
Then a
If
man
you
come here, give
Queenie
me a bring in.
at 20, listen, Queenie, me have 6 working in Jamaica, and each one of them at 800,000 a month. You turn that in a US dollar. So if you ever give me 800,000 a month Jamaican dollar, what about Jamaican for advise you, for talk to you? And these money, you see, if I never them job there, them, would I say them couldn't bring me down. So it's because I work for celebrity and I get monthly payment, Queenie. So it's like, let me give you an example. Me can talk about Spice because she are the only female in the business. But if me go up on a man artist, me can say Alkaline, Vendetta, Yo Nado. Go look for the song where say Yo Nado, I be a ganja with smoke and fuck up them girl here. No, me not go say certain too much. That's why me could never say Gaza. Cause holy pa cow and kill and guzu. Me say Vendetta.
Me a Gaza, fuck that. So
Me know
RT,
ya
what I mean
Gaza.
by I'm going to select celebrity reference. So yeah, say, man, a celebrity, and
All
you
right.
say, me a broke
You notice when time you hear the argument and you bring down, you don't hear a Jamaican come out, come say in work for me, I'm a one back in money. Me only mix up with them and entertain them, but me don't work for them because them not can't pay me. Me work in a US dollar, which Jamaican people can afford. Bumbo clad eight let's say in America, $15,000 a month for you to do nursing. So why me that take 15,000 a month for somebody to do nursing? That not make sense. So it's
RT,
either
I
you
know you're not
a
paying me
chopper,
no
drug
mind.
dealer, or a big scammer.
RT, me say what you mean by a Uncle celebrity I work with. So man, a celebrity, I'm a broke
And the
pocket
money part me
celebrity.
I talk about Queenie, you know, can pay me, man. And then again, to be honest, Queenie, where you ask for to be real with you, me tell you the truth, you go vex with me because where you ask for
I fuck,
irrelevant. But
go back RT, but now why you work nothing for me? I fuck you.
then,
I
you
can't
know,
do
me not
this
do it,
and me
you,
I
listen
look.
to me.
Leave me alone.
Then look up, alright, me see me and you got boom son at the blood clot, and you fly up on the chair to the stage and go on with one bag of excitement, and the people I met nice. So you don't want to know about for that. The only
So
thing you need to do now is when
there
you
you
go
go. Me
on.
just I take the piss.
Me know a joke you make, but you only want to go on the stage, and when you go on the stage and the people them start make nice, you just skin out your pussy or you just strip naked and the shit done.
But
The show done.
them not give me no chance to go up on the stage and bench me. Like how like them bench me, I still.
And yeah, 15. Oh yes, that's why I say uno Jamaican people no broke up no US, you know US dollars just leave me. You know me keep on telling you from I come out to the spice argument, tell you says that rich people are you know. But a peer broke people take it up on them head and decide to talk about it. I know more me or spice say one thing. Broke people. She said, let me see the amount of money you have in their society and see if your money. I
Love
go see, let me
spice.
see if you go use your money. Okay, so clear spice tell it me have money. Pussy clat if me have money if me a call election. You have 1,000 times I say that, you know. Trust me. No must have money make an election to blood clot and a sure winning. It's crazy.
RT, make me see your face, please.
No man, me face. You know why people see me face today, man? Me
I
just
want to
wake up.
see you just for 3 seconds then, please.
You want to know me still
Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified when a real trap. Bless.